morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stock markets are mixed on Friday despite the overnight gains on Wall Street as the falling crude oil prices weighed on the energy sector. Investors are also cautious following media reports that Jared Kushner, the son-in-law and advisor of the US President Donald Trump, has come under FBI scrutiny in its Russia probe. Japan's Nikkei 225 eased 0.5%. In Australia, the S&P ASX 200 dipped 0.6%. South Korea's Kospi gained 0.6% and trading at an all-time high and its sixth consecutive session of gains. The Shanghai Composite edged up 0.1%, while the Hang Seng Index edged down 0.1%. Overnight US stocks hit record highs as investors cheered the release of better-than-expected initial jobless claims data. The yen gained in Asia on Friday after national consumer prices came in as expected and made a fourth straight gain, while the pound dropped on concerns about commodity prices and national polls next month and ahead of long holiday weekend coming up in the US. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a trade-weighted basket of 6 major currencies, rose 0.06% to 97.20. The euro is 0.07% to 1.1202 US dollars, having backed away from a 6.5 month highs of 1.1268 US dollars set this week. Great Britain pound US dollar dropped 0.42% to 1.2887. US dollar Japanese yen changed hands at 111.46, down 0.33%, while Australian dollar US dollar traded at 0.7433, down 0.30%. The second estimate of GDP growth in the US during the first quarter is today's main event. US first quarter gross domestic production, 12:30 GMT. The second estimate of the US first quarter GDP growth is not expected to change a lot and merely confirmed that the start of the 2017 was slow. It was the slowest period of the first quarter economic growth since 2014. The growth rate is expected to increase slightly from the 0.7% first estimate to 0.8%. A weaker-than-expected growth rate could lead to thoughts that the Fed might want to see more proof of a turnaround in the second quarter and the September hike might become less probable. This could be positive for stocks and negative for bonds. It was the latest market news read by Aika FX. Goodbye.